Assalamu alaikum students, this is Javed Zulfikar, your mathematics teacher. Hope all of you will be fine. Today is our lecture 3 for class 7 Maths Magic. Okay students, in this lecture we are going to finish, we will try to finish our exercise 1.2a. So it's about intersection, union and difference. So in my last lecture I told about a little bit intersection, union and difference. I just want to explain this a little bit again. In union we will combine, if we want to find the sum of union of 2 or 3 sets, then we will just combine all the elements, but make sure we will not write any element two times. If there will be two times in these sets, again repeated form, then we will not write in resulting set in any element for two times. So also for intersection, in intersection we will take common the element that is present in two sets. If that we have to find the intersection that the given set, then it will be intersection will come when we will take the sets of the common sets of two elements. And in difference we will take the difference, we will write the element of first set that is not present in the next set. Okay, so let's start. After practicing this, it will become okay for all of you people. Okay, let's start. First we have to find the union of these. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Find the union A union B. We will write, you will also apply this method of writing A union B. First of all we will write we write set A 1 3 5 7 9. Yes, after that union is there, then we will write set B like this, set B. Okay, set B is 2 4 6 and 8, 2 4 6 8. This is the set, and in union we will make combine all these set like this: 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9, like this. I will repeat this again: 1 2. Make also, you can you need to, there is a need to make write in an order. Don't write 1 3 5 7 then write 2 4 6 8. So we will write in ordered form: 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9. After combining these two sets, we will get the union of this. So hope so you people understand. Now this question C I will solve here. Here R union S will be here. So first of all I am going to writing R. R will be 1 2 3 4 and so on, and union S. After that union, what is S? Empty set is here. Okay, so just combine 1 2 3 4 and so on, because we have to combine in union. So here is nothing, so we will write this as it is. Yes, so this is the union. So hope you people understand about union. So after that we are going to find the intersection of two sets. So I want to repeat, in union we will take all the sets, we will combine all the sets which are present in given sets. So after that you just have a short look at the end for one more time. If there is any element who is in duplicate form, you will erase or remove that element, because in the definition of set there will be a distinct element or in one or well defined element of make a set. So now we are going for intersection. So I will erase this R union S. Here I will find this, I will solve this question number 2 B part. P and Q, we have to find the intersection of P and Q. Okay, let's see. P intersection Q is here. So first of all we will write, this is the intersection sign. The symbol of intersection is like this. So first of all, P here, we'll write P, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And then after intersection, then we will write Q, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10. Like this. So in intersection, just take a revise your definition in your mind. What we will do in intersection, we take common element. The element which are present in both sets, it will be the intersection. Okay, so which is present in both sets? Which element is present? Is 1? No. Is 3? Yes, 3 is here. 3 is also in here and also 3. And then after 5? No, 5 is not. 7? No, 7 is also not here. 9? No, 9 is also no. So 3 is the intersection. I want to tell again that intersection is the set that are the element which are present in both the given set. Look here, 3 is here and here. Nothing more element which is present in both the sets. So this is 3 is the intersection. So hope you people understand. Now after that I want to erase, I will erase, and the next question I will solve here. Okay, here X, this type of question will come in paper, so don't be confused during doing these questions like this. X intersection we are doing here, X intersection Y, because X and Y are the names of the sets, and X is here for here 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, like this. And intersection there is phi, it means empty set. The name of this symbol is phi. You can write, if you don't want to write phi, you can write like this. It means the same meaning, but don't write both at the same time. You need to write only one at the same time. Okay, so this is the name of this symbol is phi. It shows for empty set. This is an empty set, is a clear very. Okay, so in intersection we will take that element which are present in both the sets. Here in this set there is nothing any set, so nothing is common in both the sets. So what will be the intersection? It will be an empty set, because 5 is here 5? No. 15 here no. Same is the condition for the other elements. So nothing is repeating here. So we will the answer will be empty set. So hope so you people understand about intersection and union. It should be clear. No any confusion should be there in front in your mind. Okay, next is there. For difference, we are going to finding the difference of two sets. Difference is not so difficult. This is an English word. It means the things that are not equal we can make differ. So the first is X minus Y. X will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus Y is here 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, we have to find the difference. I already told about the difference. You people, what you will do people, you will write the first set element which are not present there. Clear? Like this. 1, no, 1 is here, so it will be cancelled. 2, yes, 2 is not there. We will write that element of first set which are not present in the next set. Okay, 2, 3 we will not write. 4, yes, we will write 4. We will write only those elements which are not present in the next set. Clear all of you? I think, I hope so you people will clear. 1 we will not write because here, so 1 will be cancelled. 2 we will write here, and 3 we will cancel. 4 we will write here, and nothing more element is here. So we are following the first set. So don't follow this set. Must follow this set with comparison of the next set. Okay, 3 questions are here. First has done. The next is X minus Z here. X minus Z. So first of all, X is here. X is 1, 2 3 and 4 minus z 5 7 8 9 this. Okay, we will write 1 or no? Think all of you. Yes, we will write 1 because 1 is not here. 2, yes, because 2 is not here. 3, yes. 4 also yes. Okay, so hope so you people understand these three things. The remaining questions you people will solve by yourself of exercise 1.2. so I think you people can done up to 1.2 very well. You need more practice. After practice makes a man perfect. So for till next lecture मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.